Hello and salam friends. This is Scissor from PS Tutelar. Quite a while ago, I did a tutorial on water reflection. This time I will show you how to do it easier and faster. Let's get started. Open the image you want to reflect in water. Size of image is 1920 by 666 pixels. With the resolution of 72. Go to image and click on canvas size. Click on top middle arrow, which will create more room for us at bottom. Change pixels to %. Make value 200 for height and hit OK. We have same space down as above image. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Make sure rulers and snap is checked in view. Go to ruler and drag guideline in center. Pick rectangular marquee tool. Create selection of image. Press Ctrl+J 2 times to make 2 copies via layer. Select upper layer and press Ctrl+T. It will open transform control. Hover mouse at top middle point. You can see straight double arrow. Press shift and drag it down at bottom. Then press enter to accept it. Name this layer ref. Means for reflection. Drag this copy below layer 2. Name the top layer whatever photo is. Select layer for reflection. Pick smudge tool and choose brush with 140 pixels. Hardness for brush is 0%. Mode is normal and strength is 8%. Move smudge tool over reflection layer. Then go to filter, blur, motion blur. Make angle 90 degree and distance is 40 pixels. Then hit OK. Create blank layer above reflection layer. Since white is background color, press Ctrl+Delete to fill it with white color. Go to filter, noise, add noise. Make amount 350%. Check Gaussian and monochromatic and hit OK. Again go to filter, blur, motion blur. Make angle 0 degree. Distance is 40 pixels and hit OK. Press Ctrl+L to open levels adjustment. Make value 150 for shadows. And value 220 for highlights, then hit OK. Zoom out the image. Because of perspective we want longer ripples of water. Press Ctrl+T to open transform controls. Right-click and choose perspective. Go to bottom corner and drag it out. Then go to top corner and drag it in. To accept it, press Enter. Press Ctrl+0 to fit in screen. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Make radius 1.0 pixels and hit OK. Press Ctrl+J to make duplicate layer. Name this layer to shadows. Disable this layer temporarily. Active below layer and change its blend mode from normal to soft light. Reduce opacity to 35% for this layer. Active layer for shadows. Press Ctrl+I to invert it. Change blend mode from normal to overlay. Reduce opacity to 35% for this layer. Press V for Move tool. Let me zoom in to show you. Press down arrow key 2 times. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to make composite snapshot. This snapshot is for entire image. Take guide back because we don't need any more. Then select Gradient tool. Left side has black color and right side is transparent. Then hit OK. Go to bottom of image. Press and hold Shift key. Drag up Gradient tool up to middle. Reduce opacity to 40%. So, this is water reflect effect. Zoom in and see its reflection of water. If you like this video and technique, then hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Till next, Allah Hafiz.